Hi, this is DrMZK. I do help people to be orally fit, and I do that almost on a daily basis. I believe that every individual have to be brought into that level of motor and intellectual skills that enables him to control the dental disease and the gum disease, and bring him into a proper level of oral hygiene where he would be able to prevent dental disease from happening and be able to settle down a dental problem that is already existing and avoid the future problem from happening if he have multiple restorations. And I feel that it's the responsibility of every dentist to start educating their customers in order to be able to overcome this issue. Today, I'm going to educate you about a common problem that we see almost every day in our practice. People come to us seeking help to treat their discolored or their yellow teeth. This is something that we call staining, teeth staining. And to be specific, there are two types of teeth staining. There are the intrinsic staining and the extrinsic staining. Intrinsic staining also happen during teeth formation. When the teeth are forming, something wrong happens, like bacterial infection, trauma, genetic alteration, nutritional deficiency, that interfere into the process of tooth formation, leading to alteration of tooth color. This issue is a bit challenging because in order to fix it, sometimes we need to do a complicated restorative procedure in order to mask the discolored part of the tooth. The other type, which is the extrinsic staining, this is something that is common, something that can be easily treated by just doing cleaning, polishing, whitening, or bleaching as well. The reason behind extrinsic staining is habits. Habits like smoking, drinks, coffee, tea, red wine, bad oral hygiene, and sometimes good oral hygiene as well. So the title for this discussion supposedly is a mouthwash teeth stain. And I guess now you're surprised. Yes, good oral hygiene sometimes can participate in staining if you're using the wrong material. Mouthwashes sometimes contain certain substances that can lead into staining, and we will discuss this later. The first question that comes to my mind when I have a patient complaining from extrinsic staining is, are you using mouthwash? And most of the time the answer is yes. Surprisingly, most of mouthwashes in the market contain certain substances that can get stuck to your teeth, forming layers and then building up tartar and participating in changing the color of your teeth. If you like to use a mouthwash on a daily basis because it's giving you a fresh feeling, before you buy a mouthwash, look into the back of the mouthwash and check the ingredients. If it contains one of the following substances, there's a big chance that it might stain and alter the color of your teeth. The first group of these substances are the cationic antiseptics, and these are specifically chlorhexidine and cetylpyridinium chloride. These substances, if they are present in the mouthwash that you're using, they might lead to yellow and brown discoloration if used every day. Though chlorhexidine is a very beneficial substance, it acts as an antiseptic that kills bad bacteria, and it's highly recommended by dentists whenever there is a gum infection or a mouth infection, but it's not suitable to be used for everyday basis. So unless it's prescribed by the dentists, never use it for a daily basis, because again, it's gonna alter the color of your teeth. Cetylpyridinium chloride is also a substance that's added to some of mouthwash brands, but again, I won't recommend that you use it on a daily basis. The second group of substances that can lead to extrinsic staining is the polyvalent metal salt, and specifically Stannous Fluoride. We all know that fluoride can help to participate preventing dental caries, but this type of fluoride, that is Stannous Fluoride, would also alter the color of the teeth. Also, Stannous Fluoride might help damaging the superficial layer of ceramic restorations. So for those who have veneers or crowns and they keep using mouthwashes or sometimes even toothpastes containing Stannous Fluoride, they are sacrificing the superficial layer, the shiny layer of their ceramic restorations, leading to also discoloration of these expensive ceramic restorations. So if you want to keep your veneers shiny, or if you want to keep your teeth white, don't use mouthwashes and toothpastes that are containing Stannous Fluoride on a daily basis. The third group is the phenolic mouthwashes. These are the mouthwashes that contain Thymol and Eucalyptol. There are many brands in the market that contains Thymol and Eucalyptol. These substances are going to cause yellow staining if used on a daily basis. So if you like to use mouthwash, again, look at the back of the mouthwash and check the ingredients. If there is Thymol and Eucalyptol, it's not an everyday mouthwash. Now you're definitely asking, would you recommend, or if there is any type of mouthwashes or brand of mouthwashes that are gonna help us avoid the external staining problem? I would definitely say yes. And I will name that brand just because it's not only gonna prevent the external staining, but it's going to help whitening the teeth, and definitely that brand will be Beverly Hills Formula. Beverly Hills Formula contains pyrophosphate, and pyrophosphate helps to remove the superficial and also the deep staining. So it's not only preventing external staining, it's removing the superficial staining and help whitening the deeper layer of your teeth. Here I'm presenting two types of Beverly Hills Formula mouthwash to you. The first one is the Perfect White Gold, which contains a real gold particles that have an antiseptic properties, so they kill bad bacteria. This mouthwash will help you to have a long-lasting, fresh feeling, and it will help to fight bad breath. And the pyrophosphate inside will help to prevent staining, remove superficial staining, and whiten a deeper layer of your teeth. The second type is Perfect White Black, which contains an activated charcoal with the property of shake to activate, same as the Perfect White Gold. You shake the mouthwash to activate all the properties inside that will give you a long-lasting fresh feeling, that will fight bad breath, and the pyrophosphate will help preventing the superficial staining. It will help to remove the superficial staining and whiten a deeper layer of your teeth. Why I'm a big fan of Beverly Hills Formula? Number one, Beverly Hills Formula is proven to be one of the most effective teeth whitening ingredient available today. 5 years back, when I first been introduced to Beverly Hills formula, I received a sample from my friends at Castle General Trading, and then I started to give it to my customers. The feedback was amazing. Every customer got the sample was so amazed by how effective Beverly Hills formula toothpaste and mouthwash were. And that's my first time of engagement, seeing a clinical result that is bringing patient satisfaction. The second reason, Beverly Hills formula is proven by research to be the most effective and the safest teeth whitening product available today. 3 years back, I had the chance to meet the wonderful team of Beverly Hills formula at ADIC here in Dubai. And I had the honor to meet the CEO of the company, Mr. Chris Dodd, who's an amazing person. He knows a lot about the secrets of teeth whitening ingredients. He showed me the dedicated research that they had made in order to bring Beverly Hills formula to be the best brand in the market in terms of effectiveness and in terms of safety compared to many other brands. And that's the second reason why I like Beverly Hills formula. And the third reason, there has been no oral care brand as revolutionary or cutting edge as Beverly Hills formula. I'd like to thank you for listening, and I hope that you've learned something. Plus, there's a surprise for you. If you are living in Dubai or in the UAE, you can apply by just liking the next post that I'm going to present on Instagram and tag a friend. And the most important thing is that you send us a photo of your smile showing the staining, the extrinsic staining issue that you have. Then I will probably choose one of you who's going to be a lucky winner. He will have the chance to come here and being educated about how to control, how to prevent, and how to treat the extrinsic staining issue. He'll also have a family set from Jordan product and a full range of products from Beverly Hills formula, including toothpastes and mouthwashes. Also a Philips Sonicare handpiece, and that's already too much. All you need to do is to like the next post, tag a friend, and DM your photo of your smile. And thank you.